Hello everybody. Today we are cleaning and sealing a brand new Karndean floor. It was only laid a few days ago, and so we're on the sealing stage. Now, just so you know, we use the Dr. Schultz brand of cleaners and sealers. This particular one offers a extremely durable coating on top of the laminate flooring. It also will achieve a matte finish, so it's not shiny. And what we'll do is we'll come back to this floor after I've applied 2 coats, and you'll be able to see a subtle difference in the appearance. So we return to the floor. We've actually applied 2 coats of the Dr. Schultz matte hard floor sealant. As you can see, it's looking richer. The colours are richer. It's brought out some of the darker colours in the Karndean. It does. 2 coats will achieve a nice subtle sheen, which looks tasteful and it's not. It doesn't look tacky like some sealants out there. But there you go. That's all done. We've cut in the corners, done all that as well, so the sealant goes right up to the boards there, and to the skirting boards and the edges and everything. And there you go. If you would like your Karndean or Amtico professionally cleaned and sealed, please contact ProSteamUK today at www.ProSteamUK.com. Thanks for watching.